At the end of the day, I think smart cities, the whole thing is really about making life for people who live in them better. We're technology people, and we talk about bits and bytes and carriers and frequency and this and that. But at the end of the day, the best technology is invisible. So, the interesting thing is, how do we put together solutions that are rock solid reliable? The communications piece is great, but it's the layers on top of that too that matter. How do we put together in ways that these cities don't have to become experts at big data and experts at everything that we know how to do? How do we put together full solutions that allow them to roll stuff out in a cost-effective way, because after all, it's our taxpayer dollars, to really fundamentally help the lives of the citizens? So it's not about hawking a particular technology, it's about really collaborating on a cost-effective solution that kind of just works. And that's, the best technology is magic like that, right? It just works. You don't have to hire 1,000 consultants and a bunch of people to go in and wire it together and hook it together. It's about how do we make this easy for people to adopt so they see the benefit quickly, and that's what's really exciting.